In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an MCP server in Lovable after tool review. Before you publish anything, the first thing you want to do is make sure your MCP tools have been fully reviewed. This is an important checkpoint because whatever you expose through the MCP server is what users and connected AI clients may be able to access. Go through all of the automatically generated MCP tools and confirm they make sense for your app. If there are any tools you do not want to expose, remove them. If a tool name or description is unclear, update it so it is easy to understand. Also verify that each tool performs only the specific action it is supposed to perform. This helps keep your integration clean, predictable, and secure. Once the tools are reviewed, configure your access permissions. In Lovable, you can decide who is allowed to use your app's MCP server. For example, you may allow everyone, only signed-in users, or only paying users. By default, Lovable protects the MCP server with OAuth, which means users will normally need to authenticate unless you intentionally choose to make the server public. Take a moment here to choose the option that matches how you want your app to be used. Next, open your project in Lovable and click the Publish button in the top right corner. This opens the publishing settings where you should review the website URL, the visibility settings, and your website metadata such as the title, description, and icon. If an optional security review is available, it's a good idea to run it before going live. When everything looks correct, click Publish. At this point, Lovable deploys the current version of your app to a live URL. After your app is published, and if agent integrations are enabled, Lovable will automatically publish and host the MCP server for you. The MCP tools you reviewed become available through that hosted server. There is no need to manually deploy or host the MCP server yourself, which makes this process much simpler. Once publishing is complete, test the published MCP server. Connect your app to a supported MCP client, such as ChatGPT or Claude. If prompted, authenticate with OAuth. Then ask the AI assistant to perform one of the actions exposed by your app. Confirm that the tool runs successfully and returns the result you expect. This final check helps you catch any issues before wider use. If you make changes later, return to Lovable, update your app, review any changed MCP tools, and then use Publish followed by Update. Lovable keeps the hosted MCP server in sync with your latest published version, so republishing ensures your updates are reflected properly.